But
if you were right as he'd hit you, why? Why would you hit me if I was right?
oh right, because he was right. He's not allowed to be right. I'm the right one. He's the wrong one.
Oh yeah, that's the Alpha Spectrum mixer, by the way. No delay. So what you've just said, he heard exactly as you said it. So he could respond straight away.
Now, D5 pumps come with the different rubbery bits.
I noticed them rubbery bits in that little box.
You got these ones, which have. It's stuck.
There you go.
Which, if you look on the inside of it, it has all these notches and grooves. I think you can see that all right. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Right. But on the other ones, it's just got little triangles, like every so often.
Yeah.
So there's less rubber actually contacting the pump, which is supposed to reduce vibration. We're about to find out. Because I don't want it vibrating through this, because that's just going to be a big ass echo thing.
Yeah, this is going to be a nice giant echo chamber.
Where did you put that other box?
You mean this one?
That one, yeah.
He's the one I prepared earlier.
Well, it wasn't prepared earlier, that's the problem, really, isn't it? We should have done this earlier.
Well, I mentioned they were in here and you didn't say anything about them.
It's because I've completely forgot about them until, like, just then.
I'm slightly worried.
It comes all the way out, don't worry.
I know it does, but just like, where's the bit that comes out again? There we go. I was holding on to it. I'm like, I know it's here somewhere.
Oh,
Them.
yes, them ones. Show them ones.
Let me get this big giant box out my way.
Yes. Just kick it underneath.
I have a chair.
I was kicking the box away.
Oh. Here's what he means about the triangles. So where's that one? There we go. So you can kind of see the comparison. So this one's meant to cause less as vibration, the triangle one.
Supposed to.
Yes, supposed to.
We have yet to confirm this.
What type of PC you building? A monster. Full on balls to the walls.
i9
processor.
7900X, whichever one it is.
Yeah. i9 processor, 2 GTX 1080 Ti's,
Poseidons.
custom water looping. Yeah, it's balls to the walls. It's
If it breaks, it's gonna hurt.
he's got the money, so why not?
That's not why. I wanted to. That's why.
Sweet.
What? Hold this, please.
Holding.
Do I want it that way up? So the screws are at the front, like it is on that one, or do I want it that way up, so the screws are at the back, like it isn't on that one?
Screws at the front.
Because that one's got to go that way round because of the crack.
Screws at the front.
Screws at the front, it is then.
For one simple reason.
Why?
Because when people look in your case, right, that's going to be there. Now, there's a screw back there. The screw at the bottom, they can't see. So they'll never know it's gone.
What? No, these ones.
Ah.
What about this bit here? Do I want the screws here, the screws not showing as it is there, or showing as it is there? But they've got to show, because that side's got to be showing to get rid of the crack.
I'll say show just so it matches.
Well, yeah, that's why it's going to
Otherwise, people are going to ask you, well, why are they showing?
Because I broke it. I didn't break it, by the way. Like, it got broken, but it wasn't by myself.
So, who broke it?
When we're doing cable management, got a cable stuck on the pump, pulled it and twisted the pump and then snapped it. I'm quite glad the bracket snapped rather than the tubing, because that might have been a little bit more...
problematic?
Yeah, that's one word for it. Okay, so we have funky thing inserted with less things holding it in place. I want to turn these so the out goes off that way, which should send it out that way. Yep, that'll about do there, and that's the back in there, which will come straight from there. Awesome.
By the way, we are going to go through every part as we come up to them. So when we get to installing the graphics cards and stuff, we'll explain what they are and things like that.
I'll explain one of them. The other one can stay off camera. I don't want any evidence of that fucking thing.
Go in the box below me.
Okay. Oh, damn it. I hate tiny Allen keys.
They are so annoying.
They are a pest. I'm just currently screwing the little tiny screws back in. This isn't as detailed as the previous builds because, well, you've seen it all before.
Yeah, we've done 2 other builds which are up on my YouTube if you need to see them.
You do need to see them. It's not an if. You definitely need to see them.
Pretty much almost done a PC build every year as over here. This is our first one on Mixer. But first build was a PC for him. Then it was an upgrade of that PC. And now it's an entirely new PC yet again for him. We're hoping next year, if the donation goals met down below, for my PC to begin built next year on stream.
Okay. I think that looks good.
I think that looks really good.
I'm happy with that.
Now, when
Pipes go out the back, all tucked away and hidden.
you sew, are going to need to get that facing like that, so both the logos are pointing to each other.
I can do that. I've got to take the reservoirs off the top though. But we'll get the pumps on first. Priority 1. Fine. Priority 1. Considering we haven't even touched the bloody case yet. What happened if it gets dark when we're still streaming? Well, I think it's going to.
No, my thing was, do we have light? Because it's most
Slide 'em in.
likely going to get
Slide
dark.
them in. The triangle's upwards, yeah?
Triangle.
Yeah, these ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Zoop.
Hold them down.
This is meant to be done where it's inside the plastic bit. It's not meant to come. That's not meant to be in 2 halves like it is. I already explained the broken issue. Now, if I line this one correctly, I can get that one going like that, and then stick this back on here, like that.
Tiny Allen key.
Tiny, could you hold that there, please? Tiny Allen key, and tiny screw to go with tiny Allen key. Stick it in the hole. I missed the hole.
Battery power.
Still missed the hole. Got it in the hole.
Battery power.
Needed to wiggle. They can't actually see anything right now.
Sorry.
Sorry about this. That's one in. Is the other one? The other tiny screw to go with the tiny Allen key to go with the tiny hole.
What TV programs like that?
It's the small thing in the small thing, isn't it?
The one with the skeleton family. The dark house in the dark street.
Yeah. Yeah, that one. Oh no. I can't tell you.
It's maybe like a more cartoony version of Addams Family.
Yeah, it was. I'm pretty sure it was a cartoon's Addams Family. Right, so. Okay, so we're facing that way? Yeah.
You need that to face the other way to match the logo inside.
Which way does the UK logo go?
I don't know, but on the other side you've got
It goes the other
that
way.
way. So if you have them
The
pointing
UK
at each
logo
other,
actually goes the other way. Take the top off the reservoir. Take the reservoir off the reservoir. We lift it out, spin it round, place it back in.
place it back in.
I said place it back in.
There we go.
Could you pass me a piece of tissue? Well, it's off. I'll give it a wipe.
Hold that.
Hold him. Oh God, your knuckles are huge on camera.
Wow. Yeah, we are currently using the kitchen roll as a camera mount.
There is a tripod in this house somewhere, you know, right?
Somewhere.
But I can't be asked trying to find it. For what was going to be a couple of hours' work.
We're probably going to still be here by the time your parents are back.
Probably. But it'll be alright. They know I'm here.
Yeah, do they know what we're doing?
Yeah.
They know how much mess it makes.
Yeah. Yeah. Are they ever going to find out? No.
They are if we keep going at this rate.
Okay. Well, that's one side done. Completely and facing the right direction.
Now get the other one on.
Slide that up through there. Slide that one through there as well. Okay, there we go. They'll be tucked away quite nicely underneath there, disappearing into the inside of this, where they'll never be seen again. Put this on here. Boom, boom. And I want to get one of these. Oh, washer.
Need the washer.
Wait, which one was the washer on that side? I can't tell. Not that one. Okay, there's one nut. We're missing two.
I see one. No, that's a screw. Never mind. It's a screw in the washer.
Yeah, let's put that one back down. There's two. Got him.
Just always need a bit of light.
Got him. I hope this looks alright.
It will.
It should do. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't.
The question is just functioning.
Oh, it'll work. Because
well, it will work. It's just, I mean, more function as in like the pipes and everything, and will it bend how you want it to? And
well, yeah, 'cause it's soft tubing in it, so it'll bend however the hell I tell it to. Kinda. Oh dear.
what we owe deering.
I'm trying to hold things still with my finger. Oh, wait a minute. That's too big, clearly. Duh. Too small. Got one up from you. Too big. Okay, what about you? You about right? Aha! That way I can actually hold the nuts and tighten them up properly. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying, especially that other reservoir bending.
It will do because the bracket's broken.
Does that mean you want to break it more?
Yeah, be right.
Needs pushed down.
Yeah, no, we'll deal with that when we deal with everything else. Slide it in there. You in there as well. So get in there. Stop arguing with me. I am in charge here. You are inanimate objects.
Then why are you arguing with them?
Why are they arguing with me?
You're hiding off screen? What, me? You know me, Lumus. No, I'm just sitting back.
I've stolen his channel. This is now my channel. I'm in charge.
I like how you get a nice little angry, confused face, like,
Who? Me?
Hmm.
What? Is he all angry and confused with me?
You know me, Lumus.
I'm better than Lumus. I'm Lumus Man.
Lumus man.
Like Batman, but less scary. Only works during the night.
Never the factor.
The hell with that?
It was fairy tale.
Well, I got that bit.
It was a button. They pressed a button.
Oh, they pressed the button.
I'm not an Arno. I'm not a man.
I'm Batman.
I'm a creed.
Assassin's Creed Origins, yeah, in real life trailer.
I'm Batman. I'm like Lumus, but Lumusy.
If you really want to see him panic, you should press the Christmas button.
Huh?
I have a Christmas button.
Oh dear. Okay, we've done this bit.
His face when the button was pressed. I know, right?
I didn't know what was going on.
This is his first time with a mixer experience.
Ooh, I get the full mixed experience. Celebrations and all. Okay, we're done with this.
Time to bring back the case.
Wait, when did you bring that back in? When did you get the chip? Oh!
I like his mixer cherry's been popped.
Yeah, it's about to burst all over Simon's face in a minute. Here, kneeling, my back hurting me. What are you doing? Sitting comfortably.
I'm like, I've been sat here since I've been doing this CP.
Well, I didn't see you bring the chair in, so I didn't acknowledge the fact you brought the chair in, okay? I done that the wrong way around. Oh, I left the thing out as well. Damn it, I slammed it in anger and it didn't work. Give me a minute. Let me try again. It was the right way around this time, it's okay. I didn't mess it up twice in a row. That would have been embarrassing.
You need a level of professionalism to embarrass yourself in front of live people.
Okay. Anyway, let's get this thing back in here.
It's a good thing it's light.
Ba-ba-ba. Here is...
That was a loud slam.
That also made everything wobble. The case.
Skeleton formed. It's been completely stripped out.
Yes.
The part I was working with before is the part that goes in the case.
We need to flip this over.
Why are we flipping it upside down?
To put the bits here, here and here. Because the screws go that way.
Oh, right.
You see what I mean?
I
Gotcha.
see what you mean. So yeah, this is the case. Once again, it is a thermal take. No.
Yeah.
Thermal take tower 900.
Yay! Because it should have been 9001.
Yes. So yeah,
Okay.
thermal take tower, the tower 900 case. I just call it a trophy case, and you'll see what I mean when it's fully built.
We'll go for pointy ones on here.
Pointy ones, Pointy
Yeah.
ones.
So we'll make them match.
Right. So where did my screwdriver go?
Where did my screwdriver
I
go?
can see your screwdriver.
Okay, pass me my screwdriver. I can see your screwdriver.
Pass me my screwdriver.
Rightio!
Right. Screw. You have them.
I put them down! God damn it! Where did I put them? Oh, they're there. It's okay, got one. Oh my god, they were literally just in my hand. Make sure you get them in the slotty bits, yeah? Because I missed the slotty bit last time and it really annoyed me, so I had to take it back off. But to take it off, you've got to take the glass panel off.
Right, that's alright.
Which is really annoying.
Alright, them slotty bits.
It's in the slotty bits. Make the slotty bits.
It's in the slotty bit.
Help me. Anyone see the slotty bits? Wait. Okay, and then we need to get the dust filter for the power supply.
By the way, one of the things that JP has had with pretty much every one of his cases, magnetic dust filters.
I haven't actually bought a case that doesn't come with filters, like, ever in my life.
Well, no, but I mean, like, every case I've built with you, they've had magnetic ones, so...
You can't lose them, even though I've lost 2 of them.
Yeah. Where does the coffee maker go? We'll get to that later.
Which I genuinely consider putting a coffee maker in it. Right, I'm like, so it's got the hole at the top here. I could put the water and the beans in there, have them make a coffee, and just have like no front panel on it, and just have cups of coffee made for me.
You know what else you could
Because
seriously
the
do?
graphics cards aren't there, so there's enough room.
You know what else you could seriously do with a case like this? Have the all of the computer segments in the back, and his front bit is claw machine thing.
Yeah, that'd be cool. That would be cool. Waste of space, waste of money, but yeah, that'd be cool.
What about the death machine laser?
That comes later.
That part's been ordered and on the way, waiting for delivery.
Next is we put the front back together.
Sounds like a plan. You wanted to go with your SSD plan?